In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use fireworks with Elytra on mobile. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, you can use fireworks to fly with an Elytra. To do this, equip the Elytra, and now make sure that you have the firework rockets in your hand. To actually use these firework rockets, you have to press and hold on the screen. So you will notice that if I jump and activate the Elytra and if I try to tap the screen quickly, nothing happens. So to actually use them, press and hold down on the screen, and as you can see, it is going to consume one of these fireworks, and now I'm able to fly around. It is simple to do, and depending on the type of firework rocket that you use, the flight duration can be increased. So these are flight durations of 1, so I'm not going to fly as much as I can, but it is still going to send me flying a long distance. Whenever you notice that you are losing speed or altitude, just go ahead and use another one. You will gain a little bit of height while sending yourself forward. When it is time to land, carefully fly down, and I recommend doing circular motions like this to slow yourself down so you don't die from the momentum. So it is simple to do. Let me try to equip them in my offhand to see if this works. So all that you have to do is press and hold on the screen and you will use the firework rockets. So sadly, it seems like using them in my offhand does not work, which might be a limitation of Bedrock Edition, but regardless, as long as you have them selected in your hotbar, you can fly with an Elytra and then press and hold on the screen to use the firework rockets to send yourself flying up. Simple to do, and like I said before, depending on the type of firework rocket that you use, you might be able to increase the duration. So make sure to grab as many as you need to travel across the terrain using an Elytra. Before I end this video, there is something I want to highlight. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if this video helped you, consider subscribing. Your subscription means a lot, so I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.